Hello again, and we are back for another episode of Super Chef Dad. What?
That's not what we're doing. Bye! That's not what's happening. Today what's happening, what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna be making slime. We need a bowl, this magical liquid, shaving cream, glitter. Why are we gonna do glitter? Purple food coloring, and lemon scent. We're taking our glue. How much glue is that? It's probably a bit less than a quarter cup. Our shaving foam. I did some on me, you promise. Now I'm shampoo. Now we need to stir. Now we take our almost magical liquid. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Another napkin, please. A paper towel. Okay, so now we're gonna take our color. Need a paper towel. Do you want some glitter? Making that like black line. Can I do mine? Can I do next? Now we're gonna take our lemon scent.
What if you don't like lemon? Oh, that looks good, Zoe.
Yeah.
What does the activator do, Zoe?
Right there. It makes it all come together. Some more of this. Now I'm using contact lenses. Can you put some in mine? Of the almost magical Can you put some in mine? Just add until it starts like pumping all together. I told you. Okay, so never use gloves when stirring with your hands. Not coming now. Because the gloves get stuck in there. Paper towel, please. Green foam and activator. Activator is borax, contact lens solution, or the magical liquid. And once I added that, it starts coming together. Paper towel, please. What's that? Shaving foam. We can put on my face. You put a what? Hey, again? Don't ever do that again, okay, Zoe? Okay.
And how do we know when it's done?
More purple. Well,
no, you don't need purple in yours.
I want to make it so kind of rainbow. After I stir this in, I will tell you. I want to make a rainbow. Am I coming together? Junie, start using. I'm a dinosaur. Wow. Mommy. What if we do another Zoe hostile takeover, but with food? In the end, we have this amazing purple slime. We made slime. We made slime. Bye. We're never going to get to do this again, huh?
Yeah. Nope.
Need to get this off for